tablet with touch screen cannot replace desktop or laptop without mouse today. So the question is, how to make touchscreen with mouse functions? Here we are introducing Touchscreen Pointer, the mouse pointer UI frame for touchscreen with full mouse functions. Touchscreen Pointer consists of three main basic parts: pointer, touch point, pointing area, and customizable area. See the comparison of mouse and touchscreen pointer. Mouse, click, touchscreen pointer, tap on touch point. Mouse, double click, touchscreen pointer, double tap on touch point. Mouse, drag or draw, touchscreen pointer, long press or pressure touch on touch point, and drag. Mouse, right-click for right-click menu, touchscreen pointer, tap on pointer for pointer menu, which is equivalent to mouse right-click menu. This is touchscreen pointer. For replacing mouse with touchscreen.